ॐ ॐ ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् ॐ श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ नमः प्रणवार्थाय शुद्धज्ञानैकमूर्तये निर्मलाय प्रशान्ताय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुरेव परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। चिन्मयं व्यापि यत्सर्वं त्रैलोक्यं सचराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। Okay, we need to start the next part of it, right? The Lagunyasam Agnirme. Can you hear me properly? Okay. Give me 1 minute, few seconds, because it says connection is unstable. So there's a trick here. There is an app where you prioritize the device. I was told to do that on the AT&T app. Prioritize the device so that takes the most of the bandwidth is diverted to is this computer.
Your kids are not going to be happy. They wanted to watch Netflix.
That's true. But that will work. That's okay. Should we just do the chanting once again up to where we did, or you're all good? It's all shloka type one, no swaras, right? Huh? You can follow, just I will chant them. Om Athatmanam Shivatmanam Shri Rudra Rupam Dhyayet Shuddhaspatika Sankasham Trinetram Panchavakrakam Gangadaram Dashabhujam Sarvabharana Bhushitam Nilagrivam Shashankam Nagayajnopavitinam Vyagracharmotariyancha Varenyamabhayapradam Kamandalvakshasutranam Dharinam Shulapaninam Jwalantam Pingalajata Shikhamudhyota Dharinam वृषस्कन्दसमारूढम् उमादेहार्धधारिणम् अमृतेनाप्लुतं शान्तं दिव्यभोगसमन्वितम् दिग्देवता समायुक्तं सुरासुरनमस्कृतम् नित्यं च शाश्वतं शुद्धं ध्रुवमक्षरमव्ययम् सर्वव्यापिनमीशानं रुद्रं वै विश्वरूपिणम् एवं ध्यात्वा द्विजः सम्यक् ततो यजनमारभेत् अथातो रुद्रस्नानार्चनाभिषेकविधिं व्याख्यास्यामः आदितयेव तीर्थे स्नात्वा उदेत्य शुचिः प्रयतो ब्रह्मचारी शुक्लवासा देवाभिमुखः स्थित्वा आत्मनि देवता स्थापयेत् प्रजनने ब्रह्मा तिष्ठतु पादयोर्विष्णुस्तिष्ठतु हस्तयोर्हरस्तिष्ठतु बाह्वोरिन्द्रस्तिष्ठतु जठरे अग्निस्तिष्ठतु हृदये शिवस्तिष्ठतु कण्ठे वसवस्तिष्ठन्तु वक्त्रे सरस्वती तिष्ठतु नासिकयोर्वायुस्तिष्ठतु नयनयोश्चन्द्रादित्यौ तिष्ठेताम् कर्णयोरश्विनौ तिष्ठेताम् ललाटे रुद्रास्तिष्ठन्तु मूर्ध्न्यादित्यास्तिष्ठन्तु शिरसि महादेवस्तिष्ठतु शिखायां वामदेवस्तिष्ठतु पृष्ठे पिनाकी तिष्ठतु पुरतः शूली तिष्ठतु पार्श्वयोः शिवाशङ्करौ तिष्ठेताम् सर्वतो वायुस्तिष्ठतु ततो बहिः सर्वतोऽग्निर्ज्वालामाला परिवृतस्तिष्ठतु सर्वेष्वङ्गेषु सर्वा देवता यथा स्थानं तिष्ठन्तु मां रक्षन्तु सर्वान् महाजनान् रक्षन्तु. So, as I said, the first clear part, you don't have to physically touch. It's a symbolism. If you want, you can do it, right? Where you are installing the Adhisthana Devatas, right? Because this micro is part of the macro only, right? Micro, macro, Anda, Brahmanda, right? They're invoking all the infinite, the micro part of it, which anyway you are already, okay? There is no difference between this, because this micro and macro, a small part of that you can say, maybe in a way you can imagine that, right? Okay, then let's go to next one that you can practice. It's almost for us, right? So let's start with Agnirme Vachishritah. Okay. Pravinaji, do it. Agnirme Vachishritah.
Agnirme Vachishritah. Agnirme Vachishritah.
Vagrudaye.
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 Okay. Vagrudaye. Vagrudaye.
Agnirme Vachishritah.
Agnirme Vachishritah. Agnirme Vachishritah.
Vagridaye.
Vagridhaye. Vagridhaye.
There is no dha. Vagridaye. That da is only Swarita. Vagridaye.
So
Vagridhaye.
That gr is Mahaprana. That's why. Right? And da is
the-
Swarita. Da.
so sorry to interrupt. The book says dra. Is it wrong misprint? Is dha, not gra.
Which book?
Oh, this one.
Vedic chant says the.
Are you saying it is Mahaprana?
No, I'm saying the fourth one. Dha. The dha. The fourth
Yeah.
one.
My book has ga kinda dha ottundannమాట and then gr.
Correct. Yeah, that's what even I have.
Vagridaye.
Vagridaye.
No, if you say da also, it becomes vagridaye, right?
No, it should be.
Gridaye, yeah, something.
It is Vak plus Hrudayam. Right? Vak.
Yeah, Vak plus Hridayam.
Hridayam. It will become Vagridaye. That because of the Sandhi rule. Okay. Vagridaye.
Vagridhaye. Vagridhaye.
That next second da is only first da, not a Mahaprana. Okay.
As part of
Hridayam.
Hridayam, you have normal da, right? That is what? It's only you have a Swarita, but it is not Mahaprana. It's normal da.
Correct.
Vagridhaye.
Hridayam
Dadha.
mayi. Hridayam mayi.
Hridayam mayi. Hridayam mayi.
Aham amrute.
Aham amrute.
Don't say aham
Aham.
amrute. That aham amrute.
Aham amrute. Aham amrute.
That aham and amrita. Ahama. Ahama. Aham amrute.
Aham amrute. Aham amrute.
It is sounding as if you're saying aham amrit. Maybe that's how I'm hearing. But
Aham amrute.
it is a
Aham
continuation.
Aham amrute.
Amritam brahmani.
Amritam brahmani. Amritam brahmani.
Amritam brahmani.
Amritam brahmani. Amritam brahmani.
Agnirme vachishritah.
Agnirme vachishritah. Agnirme vachishritah.
Vagridhaye.
Vagridhaye. Vagridhaye. Vagridhaye.
Hridayam mayi.
Hridayam mayi. Hridayam mayi.
Aham amrute.
Aham amrute. Aham amrute.
Amritam brahmani.
Amritam brahmani. Amritam brahmani.
Agnirme vachishritah. Vagridhaye. Hridayam mayi. Aham amrute. Amritam brahmani.
Agnirme vachishritah. Vagridhaye. Hridayam mayi. Aham amrute. Amritam brahmani. Agnirme vachishritah. Vagridhaye. Vagridhaye. Hridayam mayi.
Hold on. Vagridhaye. That is one sentence. Don't go to
So
Hridayam Mayi.
give a pause.
This is sent. That is one
Okay. Okay.
as mantra we can't say. Vaghridhaye.
Vaghridhaye hridayam mayi aham amrite amritam brahmani agnirme vachishritah vaghridhaye hridayam mayi aham amrite amritam brahmani.
So next, all of them, all the invocation for the next 11, all the 11 will have the same ending except the first part. Like Vayu comes, Surya comes, but then the same. It says Prano Hridaye, and then that Hridayam Mayi Aham Amrite Amritam Brahmani is common for all the other devatas. Got it? Up to the end. Vayurme prane shritah.
Vayurme prane shritah. Vayurme prane shritah. Prano hridaye.
Hridayam mayi.
Hridayam mayi. Hridayam mayi.
Aham amrite.
Aham amrite. Aham amrite.
Amritam brahmani.
Amritam brahmani. Amritam brahmani.
Vayurme prane shritah. Prano hridaye. Hridayam mayi. Aham amrite. Amritam brahmani.
Vayurme prano shritah.
Prano. Prane.
Prane.
The next one would be prano.
Okay. Vayurme prane shritah. Prano hridaye. Hridayam mayi. Aham amrite amritam brahmani. Vayurme prane shritah. Prano hridaye. Hridayam mayi. Aham amrite amritam brahmani.
Shantaji, do from the beginning. Agnirme.
Agnirme vachishritah vaghridaye hridayam mayi aham amrute amritam brahmani vayurme prane shritah prano hridaye
Prano hridaye.
प्राणो हृदये हृदयं मयि अहममृते अमृतं ब्रह्मणि
सूर्यो मे चक्षुषि श्रितः.
सूर्यो मे चक्षुश्रितः सूर्यो मे चक्षुश्रितः
चक्षुषश्रितः.
चक्षुश्रिदये
चक्षुषि श्रितः. सूर्यो मे चक्षुषि श्रितः. चक्षुषि श्रितः will be चक्षुषि श्रितः.
चक्षुषि श्रितः चक्षुषि श्रितः सूर्यो मे चक्षुषि श्रितः चक्षुषि श्रितः
चक्षुर्हृदये
चक्षुर्हृदये चक्षुर्हृदये
हृदयं मयि
हृदयं मयि हृदयं मयि
अहममृते
अहममृते अहममृते
अमृतं ब्रह्मणि
अमृतं ब्रह्मणि अमृतं ब्रह्मणि
अग्निर्मे वाचिश्रितः वाग्हृदये हृदयं मयि अहममृते अमृतं ब्रह्मणि वायुर्मे प्राणे श्रितः प्राणो हृदये हृदयं मयि अहममृते अमृतं ब्रह्मणि सूर्यो मे चक्षुषि श्रितः चक्षुर्हृदये हृदयं मयि अहममृते अमृतं ब्रह्मणि
अग्निर्मे वाचिश्रितः वाग्हृदये हृदयं वाग्हृदये हृदयं मयि अहममृते अमृतं ब्रह्मणि वायुर्मे प्राणे श्रितः प्राणो प्राणो हृदये हृदयं मयि अहममृते अमृतं ब्रह्मणि सूर्यो मे चक्षुषि श्रितः
सूर्यो मे
चक्षुषि श्रितः चक्षुर्हृदये हृदयं मयि अहममृते अमृतं ब्रह्मणि
Sunita ji, do it once.
अग्निर्मे वाचिश्रितः वाग्हृदये हृदयं मयि अहममृते अमृतं ब्रह्मणि वायुर्मे प्राणे श्रितः प्राणो हृदये हृदयं मयि अहममृते अमृतं ब्रह्मणि सूर्यो मे चक्षुषि श्रितः चक्षुर्हृदये हृदयं मयि अहममृते अमृतं ब्रह्मणि
चंद्रमा मे मनसि श्रितः मनो हृदये हृदयं मयि अहममृते अमृतं ब्रह्मणि
चंद्रमा मे मनसि श्रितः मनो हृदये हृदयं मयि अहममृते अमृतं ब्रह्मणि चंद्रमा मे मनसि श्रितः मनो हृदये हृदयं मयि अहममृते अमृतं ब्रह्मणि
दिशो मे श्रोत्रे श्रिताः श्रोत्रगं हृदये हृदयं मयि अहममृते अमृतं ब्रह्मणि
दिशो मे श्रोत्रे श्रिताः श्रोत्रगुं हृदये हृदयं मयि अहममृते अमृतं ब्रह्मणि दिशो मे श्रोत्रे श्रिताः श्रोत्रगुं हृदये हृदयं मयि अहममृते अमृतं ब्रह्मणि
आपो मे रेतसि श्रिताः रेतो हृदये हृदयं मयि अहममृते अमृतं ब्रह्मणि
आपो मे रेतसि श्रिताः रेतो हृदये हृदयं मयि अहममृते अमृतं ब्रह्मणि आपो मे रेतसि श्रिताः रेतो हृदये हृदयं मयि अहममृते अमृतं ब्रह्मणि
पृथिवी मे शरीरे श्रिता शरीरगं हृदये हृदयं मयि अहममृते अमृतं ब्रह्मणि.
Chandraji, Shritaha or only Shrita?
Shrita. It's a correction. Make a correction there. I think it's a printing mistake.
There
should
is
not be
Visarga
this-
is there at the end.
Visarga should not be there because Prithvi is Srilingam. So Shrita only will come. Right? Prithvi is a Srilingam.
Can you tell one more time, Chandraji?
पृथिवी मे शरीरे श्रिता शरीरगं हृदये हृदयं मयि अहममृते अमृतं ब्रह्मणि.
पृथिवी मे शरीरे श्रिता शरीरगुं हृदये हृदयं मयि अहममृते अहममृते अमृतं ब्रह्मणि. पृथिवी मे पृथिवी मे शरीरे श्रिता शरीरगुं हृदये हृदयं मयि अहममृते अमृतं ब्रह्मणि.
Ashish, do it from the beginning.
अग्निर्मे वाचिश्रितः वाग्हृदये हृदयं मयि अहममृते अमृतं ब्रह्मणि. वायुर्मे प्राणे श्रितः प्राणो हृदये हृदयं मयि अहममृते अमृतं ब्रह्मणि. सूर्यो मे चक्षुषि श्रिता.
No, Shritaha.
Yeah.
Suryo me chakshushi shritah.
सूर्यो मे चक्षुषि श्रितः चक्षुर्हृदये हृदयं मयि अहममृते अमृतं ब्रह्मणि. चन्द्रमा मे मनसि श्रितः मनो हृदये हृदयं मयि अहममृते अमृतं ब्रह्मणि. दिशो मे श्रोत्रे श्रिताः श्रोत्रगं हृदये हृदयं मयि अहममृते अमृतं ब्रह्मणि. आपो मे रेतसि श्रिताः रेतो हृदये हृदयं मयि अहममृते अमृतं ब्रह्मणि. पृथिवी मे शरीरे श्रिताः.
No, Shrita.
श्रिताः.
Just Shrita. Prithvi.
There's
Oh, you are on mute. You are not listening to us. Totally in your own world, I think. Okay.
Where? Which one?
That Prithvi.
So he had asked to remove that Visarga.
On which one? On Prithvi? Okay.
Shrita, there's no Visarga at the end.
Okay.
Come on,
Ashish,
Ashish,
mommy
wake up.
got you that you are on phone.
When others are chanting, you also chant. It's better.
I
Instead of
am.
just
I
looking.
missed it. It.
When I'm teaching others also chant. Right? That's how you get it, right? Instead of being silent, you should chant. That's why.
Okay. पृथिवी मे शरीरे श्रिता शरीरगं हृदये हृदयं मयि अहममृते अमृतं ब्रह्मणि
ओषधिवनस्पतयो मे लोमसुश्रिताः
ओषधि वनस्पतयो मे
ओषधिवनस्पतयो मे लोमसुश्रिताः
ओषधि वनस्पतयो मे लोमसुश्रिताः ओषधि वनस्पतयो मे लोमसुश्रिताः
लोमानि हृदये हृदयं मयि अहममृते अमृतं ब्रह्मणि
लोमानि हृदये हृदयं मयि अहममृते अमृतं ब्रह्मणि लोमानि हृदये हृदयं मयि अहममृते अमृतं ब्रह्मणि
इन्द्रो मे बले श्रितः बलगं हृदये हृदयं मयि अहममृते अमृतं ब्रह्मणि
इन्द्रो मे बले श्रिता इन्द्रो मे बले श्रितः बलगं हृदये हृदयं मयि अहममृते अमृतं ब्रह्मणि
पर्जन्यो मे मूर्ध्निश्रितः पर्जन्यो मे मूर्ध्निश्रितः
पर्जन्यो मे मूर्ध्निश्रितः पर्जन्यो मे मूर्ध्निश्रितः
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 Shikhar, do we have Swarita Nyo? Parjanyo, Parjanyo me.
पर्जन्यो मे पर्जन्यो मे
So that is, we have Swarita there?
where
Nyo.
yeah
Oh, I think in my book it is not there.
which book are you following?
This one.
Ramakrishna Mata.
Uh,
Oh, it's not there.
no. I don't remember seeing in other books also. Parjanyo me murde shritaha. Parjanyo me murde. Yeah. I don't remember hearing anybody saying Parjanyo. Anyways, okay.
In Vijnanam book, there is Nyo has Swarita. Pa has Anudatta. Nyo has Swarita.
Even the Ramakrishna Mantra Pushpam also has it. So I think you have to correct that. Okay.
Chandraji May has Anudatta or
No swara there. Parjanyo me मूर्ध्निश्रितः मूर्धा हृदये हृदयं मयि अहममृते अमृतं ब्रह्मणि
पर्जन्यो मे मूर्ध्निश्रितः मूर्धा हृदये हृदयं मयि अहममृते अमृतं ब्रह्मणि पर्जन्यो मे मूर्ध्निश्रितः मूर्धा हृदये हृदयं मयि अहममृते अमृतं ब्रह्मणि
ईशानो मे मन्यौ श्रितः मन्युर्हृदये हृदयं मयि अहममृते अमृतं ब्रह्मणि
ईशानो मे मन्यौ श्रितः मन्युर्हृदये हृदयं मयि अहममृते अमृतं ब्रह्मणि ईशानो मे मन्यौ श्रितः मन्युर्हृदये हृदयं मयि अहममृते अमृतं ब्रह्मणि
आत्माम आत्मनि श्रितः आत्मा हृदये हृदयं मयि अहममृते अमृतं ब्रह्मणि
आत्माम आत्मानि श्रितः
again आत्माम आत्मनि आत्मनि श्रितः
आत्माम आत्मनि श्रितः आत्मनिश्चितः आत्मा हृदये हृदयं मयि अहममृते अमृतं ब्रह्मणि
पुनर्म आत्मा पुनरायुरागात्
पुनर्म आत्मा
पुनर्म आत्मा
पुनर्म आत्मा पुनरायुरागात् पुनर्म आत्मा पुनरायुरागात्
पुनः प्राणः पुनराकूतमागात्
पुनः प्राणः पुनराकूतमागात् पुनः प्राणः पुनराकूतमागात्
वैश्वानरो रश्मिभिर्वावृधानः
वैश्वानरो रश्मिभिर्वावृधानः वैश्वानरो रश्मिभिर्वावृधानः
That Vaishva now only, not Ana, na. Vaishvanaro rashmibhirvavridhanah
वैश्वानरो रश्मिभिर्वावृधानः वैश्वानरो रश्मिभिर्वावृधानः
antastishtatvamrutasya gopaah
अन्तस्तिष्ठत्वमृतस्य गोपाः
antastishtatva antastishtatvamrutasya gopaah
अन्तस्तिष्ठत्वमृतस्य गोपाः अन्तस्तिष्ठत्वमृतस्य गोपाः
Okay. Punarma atma punarayuragat punah pranah punarakutamagat Vaishvanaro rashmibhirvavridhanah antastishtatvamrutasya gopaah
पुनर्म आत्मा पुनरायुरागात् पुनः प्राणः पुनराकूतमागात् वैश्वानरो रश्मिभिर्वावृधानः अन्तस्तिष्ठत्वमृतस्य गोपाः पुनर्म आत्मा पुनरायुरागात् पुनः प्राणः पुनराकूतमागात् वैश्वानरो रश्मिभिर्वावृधानः अन्तस्तिष्ठत्वमृतस्य गोपाः
So what we are doing is Agnirme, we are again invoking the Adi, some of the devatas into our body only, right? Agnirme Vachishritaha. May that fire be taken in. Shritaha, let it be invoked, present, or placed, right? Agnirme Vachihi, where in the speech. Agnirme, they're not physically taking in, of course, right? Because Adhisthana Devata is Vak. The speech is Vak is Tattvaboda Agni, right? Agni. That's why we call fiery speech, right? Agni Tattvam. Agnirme Vachishritaha. Vagridaye Vak. Let it be. Hridaya means the heart, the spiritual heart, right? That Pundarikam that we have seen. Hrut Pundarikam in Narayana Suktam also. The spiritual heart. Right? In the Kata Angushtamatram Purushaha, that also Kata Upanishad. Right? Figuratively, the size of a thumb, we said, right? That heart, that spiritual heart. Let it be Vak Hridaya, let it be rooted in my heart, that Vak, right? We invoke Agni in the Vak, let Vak be rooted in my heart, Hridaye and Hridayam Mayi, and of course, Hridayam Mayi, in me, that heart I am taking in now, Mayi, in myself, being invoked in my Agni is invoked in speech and merged in Hridaya, right? And that same Vak is as though I am visualizing, withdrawn into my spiritual heart, because it is at a higher level, right? My spiritual heart, withdrawn into my spiritual heart. I'm all visualizing, symbol, right? Then, Hridayam Mayi Aham Amrite, that spiritual heart, which is merged into Mayi, that awareness. Mayi means in me, awareness. That is Amrita. Aham Amrite. Okay, that is immortal, you can say, and that is nothing but Amrutam Brahmani. That is nothing but Brahman. It is Brahman. That Amrita is Brahman. So what we are doing is Druk Drishya Viveka. Druk Drishya, right? So that higher awareness, that Sakshi in me, that subtle aspect of me, that intellect, is trying to withdraw from the grosser aspect, right? That Hridaya is merged into that higher, in a awarefulness. Right? I know I am seeing my body, because I know I am seeing my mind. I know I am Sakshi of my thoughts. I am Sakshi, right? That into that Sakshi, everything we withdraw. Basically, I am making myself Sakshi Pradhana Purusha, not Ahankara Pradhana. And that Sakshi is nothing but Amritam Brahmani. That is Brahman. So it's an Abhyasa. That's why it's being repeated again and again. Once Abhyasa means what? Repetition. Right? That's why same thing for all the devatas. I invoke, I place in the respective positions in the body, in this micro, right? And then I repeat it again. That's why Chakshur Hridaye, Hridayam Mayi.
Chandraji, Aham Amrite, when you say that means
I am immortal.
fire is invoked.
That
I
Aham.
am immortal.
Amritam means
Oh.
what? Amritam is that
Immortal. But
that
what
which
are they
doesn't
referring
have
to as
any
immortal?
mortal.
No, what are they referring to as immortal here, Chandraji? Is it like we are invoking fire in the speech, and then again it's getting merged into our spiritual heart, right? Now, after that, when they're saying that is immortal, that refers to here awareness, we are immortal, or is it referring to, it's referring to Aham, ourself?
Ourself, we have two parts, of course, right? Ahankara part, of course, the Anatma part and the Atma part, right? Which is the consciousness part. So I as Sakshi, I am saying I am primarily the Sakshi. The Ahankara part, the Anatma part is only an incidental medium. It's an Upadhi. But I basically am Aham Brahmasmi. I am that immortal, eternal, undying consciousness, which we have to do every day as an abhyasa. That's why, even though it is a repetition is a mistake. They say punarukti dosham, they call it. But here it is not a dosham. The repetition is for abhyasa, because I have to, what is it called? Hammer that into myself, into my inner being, that I am Brahman, Aham Brahmasmi. Amritam Brahmani. So where it is repeated for all the devatas. Surya in Chakshushishrita, because Surya is the Adhisthana Devata for the eyes, right? So Chakshur Hridaye, same thing. Hrudayam mayi aham amrute amrutam brahmani. Chandrama, the adhishtanam for the mind, manasi shritaha. Amrutam brahmani, same. Disho me, the directions for the ears, shrotra, because hearing requires a space, right? The medium, hearing itself requires a medium of space. So disho me shrotre shritaha. Waters in the retasi, in the ojas, the energy, right? That in me. Then amrutam ram prithvi, the earth invoked in the body, right? May, in a way we are saying may it nourish me, the higher powers, the infinite potential that is present, may it nourish me. We are saying in that way also you can take. Prithvi me sharire shritaha. Shrita, sorry, not shrita. Prithvi is Srilingam, so shrita. That correction you make. Shariragam hridaye, same. Amrutam oshadi vanaspatayo. Loma so means hair. Oshadi vanaspati, all the plants, the medicinal plants, the herbs, the trees, the leaves. Loma so shrita. Let them be invoked in my hair. In my hair. Loma sushrita, lomani hrudaye, and let it go into my heart. Hrudayam mayi aham amrute amrutam brahmani. Indra, in my bale, in the strength. Of course, Indra stands for strength, right? And Parjanyo, rain, in Murdni, in the upper part of my foot. The lalata is Murdni, right? Yesterday, I think you had a question. Where is Murda? Murdni means the above this lalata, Murda, Shiras, Shika. Yeah. Just upper part of your lalata, forehead. In that you invoke the rain god, Parjanya, Murdha, Amrutam Brahma, Ishana, Ishana, the Lord, Shiva himself, in anger. Manyu means anger. Okay. Manyu means here, anger in the sense, not the destructive kind of anger, but anger used for constructive purposes. In a way, you can say. Okay.
Or we
Manyu,
can ask, reduce the anger. Right?
You have to, yes, not that raw, raw anger. Anger, a certain, a bhavana where you want to use your own certain higher tendencies in you to rebel against the lower tendencies. That anger, use that for that. Okay. Anger, manyu hrudaye, and that let it go into my heart, merge it into heart in my awareness, self-awareness. Aham amrute amrutam brahmani. Atma, my, finally the myself, the lower self, in a way, that ahankara, atmanishrita, in the higher self, let it be invoked. Same thing. Then what else? Punarma atma means here punarma means you can also repetition we can take, but here it is punati. Punati means that experience of purity. Punarma atma, punah, may it be purified. Pavitri karoti, we can take like that. Punarma atma, punarayuragaat, may it be purified, and ayuhu agaat, may the life, punaha ayuhu, may the life force, breath in me be purified, and then agaat, and may the pranas be purified. And may it bless me, may it come back to me as a blessings. so that I work in this world, so that I spread the blessings to the world. May I receive them back. Agaat. Agaat means usually physically, literally coming back, coming. Agaat. May I receive those blessings to express in the world. Our pledge also says that. What does it say? What is the pledge? The last
The
part.
grace flow through us to the
Ah.
world around us.
Yes, may thy grace flow
And
through us,
blessing.
the world around us. Okay. May I receive them back as blessings. All this purified prana, right? Punaha. Akuta means puna akuta. Even my purpose in life, purposes, my ambitions, akuta, akuti, aspirations, may they be purified. Okay. Punarakuta magaat Vaishvanaro Rashmibhirva Vrudanah. So that Vaishvanara, that Vishva Purusha, Rashmibhir, that rays, may he release Vrudanah, may that Vaishvana release. In a way, you can say the Jnana Vrittis, may he grow, may he grow in us that Jnana Vritti. You can take like that in a way. And then Antastishtat Tvamrutasya Gopaha. Antaha Tishtati Amrutasya. That is how you have to split. Antaha Tishtati Amrutasya Gopaha. May it be Gopaha means may it be protected. Right? That whatever Jnana Vritti, whatever invocation we have done, right? And what is this Rashmi Bhirra Budhanaha, those Jnana Vrittis, may they be protected. Antastishtaha, right? May it be constantly there in me. Antaha tishtati, may it be established in me. Amrutasya, that Amruta, that Bhavana that I have invoked. Gopaha, may it be protected. That is a very high level meaning of that. Any questions?
Was he breaking only for me?
Sorry. Yeah, Krishna, you're saying something? Hari Om? Hari Om? Hari Om?
Yes.
I lost you guys for a few seconds.
Yeah, you can hear me now.
What was it? I didn't get you. You were saying something and they got disconnected.
Oh, I was about to ask you. I missed one thing. Retasi. What does that mean? Apu me retasi.
Retas means that usually it's got the sperm in the male. The ojas also is taken.
Apa is water, right?
Water. Okay. Then okay. Now antastishtati amrutasya gopaha. Let they be protected. There we end that. And then starts the actual then starts the Rishinyadi Vinyasam, actual, right? We say the Rishi name, Agura Rishihi, the Chandas, the Devata, then the Bijam, Shakti, Kilakam, and then we start the Japa. The purpose we say Stramba Sadashiva Prasada Siddhyarthe Jape Viniyogaha. What is the purpose we are doing for Prasada Siddhyarthe? Samba Sadashiva Prasada Siddhyarthe. For his blessings, just for his blessings. Siddhyarthe.
Broke a lot in between, Shekhar. You broke a lot.
Hari Om?
You broke a lot in between when we couldn't hear the sentence clearly.
Oh, is it? So I was telling, we invoke the name of the Rishi, the Chandas, the Devata, the Bijam, Shakti, Kilakam, and then the purpose for which we are doing this Jape Viniyogaha, it's Samba Sadashiva Prasada Siddhyarthe, Jape Viniyogaha, for just for his prasadam, or just for Chitta Shuddhi we can take, for his blessings. Samba Sadashiva, Amba Sadashiva, Sa Amba Sadashiva, Umadevi and Sadashiva's Prasada Siddhyarthe, for his blessings. I am doing this. Viniyoga means the purpose. I am stating it. This japa or in Abhisheka, if you're doing Abhisheke Viniyogaha, right? So it starts. Asya Shri Rudradhyaya Prashna Mahamantrasya. In the word,
Asya Shri Rudradhyaya Prashna Mahamantrasya. Asya Shri Rudradhyaya Prashna Mahamantrasya.
Aghora Rishihi.
Aghora Rushihi. Aghora Rushihi.
Anushtup Chandaha.
Anushtup Chandaha. Anushtup Chandaha.
Sankarshana Murti Swarupo Yosavaditya Parama Purusha Sa Esha Rudro Devata.
Sankarshana Murti Swarupo Yosavaditya Paramapurusha Sa, is it?
Sa Esha Rudro Devata.
Paramapurusha Sa Esha Rudro Devata.
Again, Sankarshana Murti Swarupo.
Sankarshana Murti Swarupo. Sankarshana Murti Swarupo.
Yosavaditya.
Yosavaditya. Yosavaditya.
Parama Purusha Sa Esha Rudro Devata.
Paramapurusha Sa Esha Rudro Devata. Paramapurusha Sa Esha Rudro Devata.
Then here you can use, if you want, sign. Science means S-I-G-N-S, not science, S-C-I. I'm saying science, physical, if you want, right? So you can say, Asya Shri Rudradhyaya Prashna Mahamantrasya Aghora Rishihi, because Rishi is the Adi Guru, Shirasadharyam, right? Shirasadharyam. So when you say Aghora Rishihi, touch your head, because Rishi always is most revered. Put it on your head. Your Guru always on the head. That's why you touch the Shiras. Okay. Aghora Rishihi Anushtup Chandaha.
Asya Shri, do you want to repeat?
So once you've done that, Aghora Rishihi Anushtup Chandaha. Anushtup Chandaha, you can touch like this. Because usually Chandas means Aksharatvat Rasanaya, right? Meter is connected to your chanting. So you, as though you're touching mouth and you touch the nose also. Not touch, just keep it like this. In between nose and mouth and nose. That is Chandas. So Aksharatvat Rasanaya. So touch, right? And then Devata. Devata is always in the heart. The Devata we are doing, of course, is Shri Rudra, but Rudra is here invoked as Sankarshana Murti Swarupo Yosavaditya Parama Purusha Sa Esha Rudro Devata. You put it in your heart, because Devata is always heart. Sankarshana Murti, not that Sankarshana is there, mean one who attracts everybody. Sambyak Akarshayati. So Rudra himself is that. Yo Asau Aditya, because Aditya is the Pratyaksha Devata, and Parama Purusha is, of course, the great Lord. Parama Purusha Sa Esha Rudro Devata. Then the seed for whole of this chant, Rudram is the Bijam, right? Namah Shivayeti Bijam. On the right side, you can touch. So, Namah Shivayeti Bijam, little just down below the heart. Then Shakti. The Namah Shivayeti is the same mantra taken from the Rudra only. That itself is the Bijam. Namah Shivayeti Bijam. Shivatarayeti Shaktihi. Can you see me?
Yeah, we can.
On the left side, you can put Shakti. Shivatarayeti. That is also from the Yet Anuvaka, right?
Shivatarayata.
Right. That mantra is taken. Shivatarayeti, that is the Shakti. That is a Shakti for this whole Rudram. Mahadevayeti Kilakam. Then just above the navel and below the heart, just in the center of the heart, you can touch. Kilakam means the bolt. So that your energies are not spilling anymore. You bolt it. And that is the Kilakam. Kilakam is actually nail. So you're bolting all the energies. It's not spilling out. You are for sadhana, you are getting ready. Okay. Kilakam.
Shiva Tarayed, what does that actually mean? Shiva Tarayed.
Shiva, you remember in the
I didn't write down. I don't know the meaning.
Shiva, that which leads to Shiva. Actually, Shivatara. It's a degree. Shiva, Shivatara, Shivatama, we can say, right?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Here, Shivatara, another meaning is Tarati. We can also take that which leads us to Shiva. Shiva is auspiciousness. Shivatara is another level of degree of auspiciousness we can take that way also. Okay. So the Kilakam is the pillar. That is a pillar or the bolt. Okay. That Mahadeva. So people also say that
Mahadeva is the Kilakam.
Mahadevayeti Kilakam. That is done now. Bijam is done. Shakti is done. Kilakam. Sri Sambasada. Then the Viniyoga, the purpose. Why are we doing this? Sri Sambasada Shiva Prasada Siddhyarthe Jape Viniyoga. Some people also do this. Jape Viniyoga. Then comes Karanyasa. See? Using your fingers, you energize yourself, you protect yourself. Okay. Because you're doing the puja. Here Karanyasa, here in this particular case, they use, basically we can use this in Vishnu Sahasranama also, in Gayatri also we do. The mantras themselves for doing that. But here, slightly different. Okay. Like mantras themselves mean like in Gayatri we do it. Om Tat Savitur Brahmatmani Angushtabhyam Namaha. Because we use the same mantra to the Karanyasa. Tat Savitu. Start Om Tat Savitur Brahmatmani Angushtab. Because in Vishnu Sahasranama also we do the same mantra from the Sahasranama itself to do that. But here, in a special case, for this Rudra, what we do is Om Agnihotratmani Angushtabhyam Namaha. You swipe your Angushta. You swipe your Angushta. Angushta means this. With your index finger. With your Tarjani. Like this. Okay. Om
We need to do both hands, Chandra.
Both.
We
So
need
from
to,
here,
So base to the tip, basically.
base to the tip.
yeah, like this. So
Yeah.
Because
while doing, we can keep our hands down, right? No need to show like this.
I am showing you just like this.
Yeah, that's what.
I am showing you. Okay, you do this. Yeah. Angushta, because this as Agnihotra, Darsha Purnamasaatmane, Chaturmasyatmane, Niruda Pashubandhatmane, Jyotishtomatmane, Sarvakratvatmane, they're taken from the they're all different types of yajnas that a grihastha has to do actually, but we are not doing that anymore. But just so that we remember that, right? It is given. These days, nobody is doing all those yajnas, right? Agnihotra Ajna, right? Darsha Purnamasa is done twice a month, just after on Purnima day and on the new moon day. Darsha Purna, Darsha, after the Darsha, and then on the Purnima day, Masatmane, Darja. Okay. And Chaturmasyatmane every 4 months, not the Sannyasi Chaturmasya Diksha. Grihasthas also are supposed to, because their whole life is geared towards reaching that highest state. Not Grihastha means not enjoying, you are all seeing movies, this Netflix and all every time. That is okay. So we are reminding ourselves to inspire ourselves every day to think of that highest always. Okay. That's why you've taken birth. Okay. So these are all different types of yajnas that are recommended in the Veda. Okay, now let's see. Agnihotratmane angushtabhyam namaha, Darsha Purnamasatmane tarjanibhyam namaha. Tarjani, this is Angushta. Tarjani. You remember? I think we went through these names of the fingers some time back. I don't know if you remember. This is called Tarjani, the threatening finger. Tarjani. So with your thumb, you swipe from bottom to the tip of your Tarjani. So which one? Darsha Purnamasatmane Tarjanibhyam namaha. Chatur. Somebody repeat. Hindi word, continue. Sorry. Where we finished? Kilakam, you finished?
I stopped at Paramapurusha Esha Rudro Devata.
Okay. Do it then.
Namas. Can I continue doing that? Namas Shivayeti Bijam, Shivatarayeti Shaktihi, Mahadevayeti Kilakam. Rather, I should say probably. Namas Shivayeti Bijam, Shivatarayeti Shaktihi, Mahadevayeti Kilakam. Tri Samba Sadasiva Prasada Sichardhe Jape Viniyogaha.
Yeah. So Namah Shivaya mantra itself is the bijam, the seed for this whole Rudra. Well, Namah Shivaya, the Panchakshari. So many mantras require Om before it. For Namah Shiva, Om also is not required. But if you add Om, that is also fine. But Namah Shiva is that great. Om is also not required for that. All other mantras require Om. So that is bijam. Namah Shivaya is the bijam. Shakti. Right? Bijam, Shakti, Kilakam. Then do the next one.
Om Agnihotratmane Angushtabhya Namaha. Om Darsapurnamasatmane Tarjanibhya Namaha. Chaturmasyatmane Madhyamabhya Namaha.
Hold on. Chaturmasyatmane Madhyamabhyam namaha.
Chaturmasyatmane Madhyamabhya Namaha.
Only once you do. Okay? Once. The Madhyama, the middle finger. Chaturmasyatmane Madhyamabhyam namaha. Nirudha Pashubandhatmane Anamikabhyam namaha.
Nirudha Pasubandhatmane Anamikabhya Namaha. Nirudha Pasubandhatmane Anamikabhya Namaha.
Niruda Pashubandhu is also another kratu you can take. Niruda Pashubandhu, the ego. Because the Pashu, animal in us, the ego, has to be tamed, right? That's why Niruda Pashubandhatmane Anamikabhyam Namah. Anamika means name, no name, right? It does not have its own identity. Okay, no identity. That's why it is used for worship, for Dilakam Gandham. We are asked to use this one because not this one. This is ego. Anamika means no identity. This is pure actually. No identity means pure. No ego. So that's why use this. Yes. Okay. Niruda Pashubandhatmane Anamikabhyam Namaha.
Nirudha Pasubandhatmane Anamikabhyam Namaha.
Jyotishto. Continue.
Nirudha Pasubandhatmane Anamikabhyam Namaha.
Jyotishtomatmane Kanishtikabhyam Namaha.
Jyotishtomatmane Kanistikabhyam Namaha. Jyotishtomatmane Kanistikabhyam Namaha.
Kanishtika means the little finger, right? The last one. Jyotishtoma is another special yajna, Jyotishtoma. Right? So that is used. Not that we are going to do every day, but we are reminding ourselves of our purpose in life. Okay. So Jyotishtomatmane Kanishtikabhyam Namaha. Sarvakratvatmane Karatalakara Prishtabhyam Namaha.
Sarvakratvatmane
Karatalakara
Prishtabhyam.
Prishtabhyam Namaha.
Yeah.
You swipe both hands. This way.
Yeah.
Up. Karatala. Up and down. Karatala. Kara.
Sarvakratvatmane Karatalakara Prishtabhyam Namaha. Sarvakratvatmane Karatalakara Prishtabhyam Namaha.
Say Sarvakratvatmane. All the kratus. Different other types of kratus. Yajnas means all the kratus means in a way we are saying all our activities also should be in the way that pure. Once we are done with this, we have to carry on the purity to the other activities also. We are saying. Oh, sorry. We finished Karatalakara Prishtabhyam.
Yeah.
Sarvakratvatmane Karatalakara Prishtabhyam. That you know how to do, right? So you are swiping, you are up and down. Okay. Karatalakara Prishtabhyam Namaha. Then the Anganyasa. Agnihotratmane Hrudayaya Namaha.
Agnihotratmane Hrudayaya Namaha. Agnihotratmane Hrudayaya Namaha.
Same we use for Anganya, same Karanyasa we used, same thing we use for Hrudayanyasa, Anganyasa. So what are these Nitya Karmas that we are supposed to do, but we are not, which are usually performed by Grihastha? We are taking those names. Thus Nitya Shrauta Nitya Karmas, they are called Shrauta Karmas. There is a Grihastha. Agnihotratmane. Darsha Purnamasaatmane Shirase Swaha.
Darsha Purnamasaatmane Sirase Swaha. Darsha Purnamasaatmane Sirase Swaha.
Chaturmasyatmane Shikayai Vashat.
Chaturmasyatmane Shikhayai Vashat. Chaturmasyatmane Shikhayai Vashat.
Nirudha Pashubandhatmane Kavachayahum.
Nirudha Pasubandhatmane Kavachayahum. Nirudha Pasubandhatmane Kavachayahum.
So you make a kavacha, like a shield, right? Nirudha Pashubandhatmane Kavachayahum. So Nirudha Pashubandha means offering of the ego. We are disciplining our ego, inner jiva, to the higher. Nirudha also means separate, to put aside. Nirudha. In a way. Okay, kavacha. That is with a kavacha. Nirudha Pashubandhatmane Kavachayahum. Jyotishtomatmane Netratrayaya Vaushat.
ज्योतिष्ठोमात्मने नेत्रत्रयाय वौषट ज्योतिष्ठोमात्मने नेत्रत्रयाय वौषट.
Basically, your index finger on right eye, the other finger on the left, and the one in between on the third eye, the Jnana Chakshu you are touching. So basically, you are that Ajna Chakra. You are energizing, you can say. Okay.
So we don't have to pull down our glasses to touch that one, right? Okay. Top also
You can put
we can do.
it's a touching, it's all symbolic, and the glasses also you can put if you want.
I'm just kidding, Sunitaji. Okay.
Okay.
I
Nirmula.
want to do in the correct way. That's it.
Yeah, you can do from the top also. You don't have to
Actually,
pull down and then do it.
I don't do this every day anyway. Only on special occasions in temples when they do, we do. Otherwise, you just do directly. You can go to Rudram. So it's optional, but if you want, it's really it's good. It's a good. I'm not saying don't do it. Okay. Okay. Then Netratrayaya Vaushat Sarvakratvatmane Astraya Phat
Sarvakratvatmane Astraya Phat. You don't have to say that.
That is all. That so you can also do this because on all directions you can do that, and then Phat you make that sound. Phat. Some people do twice, but once. Okay. Once.
Sarvakratvatmane Astraya Phat. Sarvakratvatmane Astraya Phat.
This is optional, but most people do just this. You can snap in all directions. You are saying you're warding away all the disturbances, distractions. So whenever they are doing yajna, this sound will basically make those who want to disturb, want to distract, they will run away using this. But that's why. Okay. Okay.
With these two fingers, right, Chandraji?
Some also do slap,
Yeah,
like
slap also
some
they
also
do.
do that, but I do this. Okay. It's all, you see, this is all not in Veda. Our elders gave it. So it depends on who from, so many, there are many variations also. It is,
Yeah.
okay. So,
Yeah.
okay.
Like I got
But
used
what-
to putting Gomudra for all this touching also, and I use this Gomudra. So that
Even
makes
to
sense.
touch the shiras also, yeah, you do this. Instead of this, they do
Because
this.
you want to keep your ego away, right? So
Yes.
that is one of the significance of using your Gomudra. So even for offering also, you use this Gomudra for doing that. Right? So that's why sometimes, like, most people recommend that you can use this mudra for doing our Anganyasa Karanyasa.
So basically, when you do this, Anganyasa Karanyasa, it reminds us that life is led in a responsible way, right? In fulfilling our duties, Shrauta Karma duties, and even when we perform our day-to-day activities, that spirit, you have to continue. That spirit has to be there. That's why it is also Nitya Karma. Then Astraya Phat. This also, when it is there, some people directly do this. Then Bhurbhuva Suvaromiti Digbandha. Many people just do
Bhurmiti Digbandha.
Bhurbhuva Suvaromiti Digbandha.
Bhurbhuvassuvaromiti Digbandha.
You snap your finger,
Yeah.
clockwise, and some people end it there, but the Swamiji I got, he told to do this. I do Digbandhana means you're locking yourself. Digbandha. That locking your by your fingers, that is symbolized by the locking, digbandhanam, so that no distractions can come in. So you are creating a shield, kind of a boundary. Like when you arm ADT, a ring alarm, when you arm it, when the doors are open, what does it say? I can't arm it, it says, right? so the door is closed. Only when the door is closed, you can arm it. So, right? So in a way, no distractions from outside. So I am making a shield for my sadhana. Let it continue without any distraction. No cell phones, no messages. Digbandha. Pujari will talk when he's doing, but you should not do that. Pujari will keep messaging, he'll talk. Right? But sadhana means you are focused, that goal. Okay. That is,
So Chandraji, what's the significance for the Karanyasam when we do with the fingers, right? From the index finger. Is there any other, one significance you mentioned is like day-to-day activities put in spirituality and then,
yeah.
But so that's the only significance, or I
See,
missed that part probably when you said.
Yeah. So Nyasam has been given, as we said, to install the deities. There are other Nyasams also are there. Detailed Nyasam, the mudras. This is the basic ones to protect.
Nyasams meaning actions, Chandraji.
Nyasam
meaning,
as I said, installing the deity
okay,
within our body. Purification, another, we can use that simple meaning, you can take that. Invoking,
okay.
installing. So Karanyasa, Anganyasa, Hrudanyasa, many Nyasams are there. Simple ones, so protecting ourselves. So as they say, using the fingers, fingertips have a certain energy. So we're energizing ourselves. We are creating a divine mood for our sadhana. All this can be done mentally also if you want. Okay. Then Bhurbhuvaswaro niti Digbandha, that Digbandhanam is done. Okay. Then after the Bhurbhuvasva, or the Vyavhritis, we call it, right? Even in Gayatri Mantra, Om Bhurbhuvasva. But the Gayatri Mantra starts with, it's only 3 padas. Tat Saviturvarenyam starts there. So we add the Vyavhriti mantras. Vyavhriti there. So Bhurbhuvasva, and then after finishing your japa puja, since you did Digbandha, after the japa, after the Abhishekam, you can again do Karanyasa, Anganyasa. Usually many people don't do again. They just do this last part. Again, Bhurbhuvaswaromiti Digvimoka. You're releasing, because that is only for the duration of the puja. Digvimoka, you do anti-clockwise. Instead of clockwise, anti-clockwise you do, and as though you are releasing, you can release your fingers like that. Digvimoka. That part is enough. You don't have to do again Karanyasa, Anganyasa, and then release. Just a Bhur, after that, Bhurbhuvaswaromiti, anti-clockwise you snap. Oh, it's 12:06. We didn't, it was, should we take 10 more minutes, and the dhyanam is left, right? Shall we finish that? 10 more minutes? Dhyanam?
Yeah. I'm fine.
Okay. Okay, then starts another dhyanam. Apataranabhastalamta bhuvana brahmandhama vispurat.
Can I continue?
Continue.
Apatalanaಭಸ್ತಲಾಂತ ಭುವನ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಾಂಡಮಾವಿಸ್ಫುರತ್. आपातालनभस्थलान्तभुवन ब्रह्माण्डमा विस्फुरत्
ज्योतिस्फाटिकलिङ्गमौलिविलसत् पूर्णेन्दुवान्तामृतैः
ज्योतिस्फाटिकलिङ्गमौलिविलसत्पूर्णेन्दुवान्तामृतैः ज्योतिस्फाटिकलिङ्गमौलिविलसत्पूर्णेन्दुवान्तामृतैः
आपातालनभस्थलान्तभुवन ब्रह्माण्डमा विस्फुरत् ज्योतिस्फाटिकलिङ्गमौलिविलसत् पूर्णेन्दुवान्तामृतैः
आपातालनभस्थलान्तभुवनः ब्रह्माण्डमा विस्फुरत् ज्योतिस्फाटिकलिङ्गमौलिविलसत्पूर्णेन्दुवान्तामृतैः
अस्तोकाप्लुतमेकमीशमनिशं रुद्रानुवाकाञ्जपन्
अस्तोकाप्लुतमेकमीशमनिशं रुद्रानुवाकां जपन् अस्तोकाप्लुतमेकमीशमनिशं रुद्रानुवाकां जपन्
ध्यायेधीप्सितसिद्धये ध्रुवपदं विप्रोऽभिषिञ्चेच्छिवम्
ध्यायेदीप्सितसिद्धये ध्रुवपदं विप्रोऽभिषिञ्चेत् शिवम् ध्यायेदीप्सितसिद्धये ध्रुवपदं विप्रोऽभिषिञ्चेत् शिवम्
This is dhyanam, right? So you can do mentally. It's nice. You can memorize it easy. And just do dhyana mudra, namaskara mudra. I can do. Optionally, after this, it is not there in the book. As some time back, I chanted Peetham Yasya Dharitri Jaladhara Kalasham Lingama Akashamurtim. Some people chant that also after this, but it is not there in this. Okay, Peetham Yasya Dharitri. So Brahmanda, Brahmanda Vyapta Deha Bhasita Himarucha Bhasamana Bhujangai.
ब्रह्माण्डव्याप्तदेहा भसितहिमरुचा भासमाना भुजङ्गैः ब्रह्माण्डव्याप्तदेहा भसितहिमरुचा भासमाना भुजङ्गैः
कंठे कालाः कपर्धा कलित शशिकलाश्चण्डकोदण्डहस्ताः
कण्ठे काला कपर्दा कलितशशिकलाश्चण्डकोदण्डहस्ताः कण्ठे काला कपर्दा कलितशशिकलाश्चण्डकोदण्डहस्ताः
कंठे कालाः कपर्धा कलित शशिकलाश्चण्डकोदण्डहस्ताः
कण्ठे कालाः कपर्धा कलितशशिकलाश्चण्डकोदण्डहस्ताः कण्ठे कालाः कपर्दा कलितशशिकलाश्चण्डकोदण्डहस्ताः
त्र्यक्षा रुद्राक्षमाला प्रकटित विभवा शाम्भवा मूर्तिभेदाः
त्र्यक्षा रुद्राक्षमाला प्रकटितविभवा शाम्भवा मूर्तिभेदा त्र्यक्षा रुद्राक्षमाला प्रकटितविभवा शाम्भवा मूर्तिभेदा
अभेदाः रुद्रा श्रीरुद्रसूक्त प्रकटित विभवा नः प्रयच्छन्तु सौख्यम्
रुद्रा श्रीरुद्रसूक्त प्रकटितविभवा नः प्रयच्छन्तु सौख्यम् रुद्रा श्रीरुद्रसूक्त प्रकटितविभवा नः प्रयच्छन्तु सौख्यम्.
Some people in the first prakatita vibhava, there are two prakatita vibhavas, right? In the first one, just to remove that punarukti, they will say instead of the prakatita vibhava, pranata bayahara. That version also is there. Pranata bayahara, they say. So only once they use prakatita vibhava. Okay. So that is the dhyanam, because dhyanam has to be done again, right? Of Sri Rudra, of the deity whom we are doing japa or abhisheka to, right? That is important. Dhyanam is always, and we are seeing Rudra as the universe, the lingam. Universe itself is a lingam of apatalana bastalamta bhuvana brahmandama vispurate jyotis patika linga mauli vilasat purnenduvanta amrutai. Purna induvanta amrutai. The moon rays which are giving out some nice cool water liquid, that itself is doing as though abhisheka to the universal lingam. Okay. Astoka apluta. Astoka apluta. Astoka means not small, infinite, not small. Toka means small. Apluta, spread everywhere. Astoka aplutam ekam isham anisham Rudra anuvakan japan. I am going to do Rudra anuvaka, japa of Rudra anuvakas. Dhyayed ipsita siddhahe dhruvapadam vipro vishinche chiva. Vipraha, this person, we purified man, we all of us, we reach the dhruvapadam. And ipsita siddhahe, whatever I desire. Of course, I desire the highest. The dhruvapadam abhichinche, I worship Shivam, that Shiva worship I am going to do. Same thing, Brahmanda Vyapta Deha, it is Brahmanda itself is Vyaptam by his body. Basita Himarucha, shining like a snow, white snow. Basamana Bujangai, snakes. Right? Kante Kala, Kante Kala, that poison. Kapardha, Kalita, the Jatha. Kalita Shishikala, the moon. Shishikala on his head. Chanda Kodanda Hasta, the Kodandam that he has loaned to Rama. It is his only actually. Kodanda also will. Kodanda Hasta. Okay. Traksha, 381, Rudraksha Mala. We have to visualize, we have to imagining, right? Before we do the puja, to visualize, dhyanam, we have to visualize like that. 381, right? Rudraksha Mala. Prakatita Vibhava, that which has been so gloriously enumerated. Prakatita Vibhava, this Vaibhavam has been Prakatita, declared. Shambhava Murti Veda, Rudra Shri, Rudra Sukta. Again, in the Rudra Suktam, Prakatita Vibhava, Naha Prayachantu Saukyam. May you give us the utmost Sukham, Saukyam. Of course. So, that is a dhyana. Then we do the Om Ganananpa, and then Shanchame also can be done. Then let's do the Om Ganananpa Ganapadigam Havamahe Kavim Kavinam Upamashravastam Jeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata Anashtunvannoti Bisida Sadhanam Om Shri Mahaganapataye Namaha Om Shanchame Mayascha Me Priyancha Me Nukamascha Me Kamascha Me Saumanasascha Me Badrancha Me Shreyascha Me Vasyascha Me Yashascha Me Bhagascha Me Dravidancha Me Yantacha Me Dharthacha Me Kshemascha Me Dhritischa Me Vishwancha Me Mahascha Me Sammitcha Me Jnatrancha Me Soscha Me Prasoscha Me Sirancha Me Layascha Marutancha Me Mrudancha Me Yakshmancha Me Namayaccha Me Jivatuscha Me Dirghayutvancha Me Namitrancha Me Bhayancha Me Sugancha Me Shayanancha Me Sushacha Me Sudinancha Me Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Then Om Namo Bhagavate Rudraya. Start. Then you start. And if you want immediately, just go to Rudram. Just if you want, just do this part. Just the Asya Sri Rudradhyaya Prashna Mahamantrasya Aghora Rishihi Anushtup Chandaha Sankarshana Murti Swarupo Yosavaditya Paramapurusha Sa Esha Rudro Devata. That you do, and then if you don't want to do all this detail every time you want to do, that is also fine. Perfectly fine. Okay. Just the name of the Rishi. Some people say for Namakam, a different Rishi and different Chandas, Devata, but you can use the same Namakam, Chamakam, same you can use. You don't have to change. Aghora Rishi, you can use. The Devata here, what? Sankarshana Murti Swarupo Yosa Vaditya Param Purusha Sa Esha Dhru Devata. That is a Devata. Anushtup Chanda, you can use. That is fine. Perfectly. Okay. Enough? Okay. Any meaning? We'll see if you want. But next time we will, if you want to practice, we can, once we can do the next class. But we are done with Rudram. Oh, I said we'll do Shivopasanam, we'll do next time. Okay. Shivopasana mantra we'll learn. Then next we'll see how it goes.
Yeah, maybe each Anuvaka one person and then Shivopasana mantra. Maybe we'll practice
Ah,
that way.
we have time. Shivopasana is short, so you can practice Rudram. Namakam Chamakam. Okay. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramayaha Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschit Dukkha Bhag Bhavet Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritangamaya Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namah. Hari Om Tat Sat. Thank you.
Thank you. Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Thank you, Chandraj.
Thank you.